10 things that you will love about the Norwegian Jewel.
That's
We
right.
have 10 things that you want to be sure you don't miss on Norwegian Jewel, starting with the Great Outdoors. The Great
Yes.
Outdoors is a buffet area just outside of the main buffet area. You go get your buffet food, and the Garden Cafe is awesome. There's seating area in there, but you can go just a little further to the back of the ship and sit outside, enjoy the great view at the great outdoors, to even have a bar so you can get yourself a nice drink with your buffet lunch or dinner.
Yum.
So, what's number 2?
Number 2 is Ocean's Bar and Grill.
Okay, yes, Ocean's Bar and Grill. Ocean's Bar and Grill is a complimentary food location on Norwegian ships, and Norwegian Jewel has it. Norwegian Jewel's Ocean's was a place we really enjoyed. You can go there. There's nice seating with a nice look. It's basically an Irish pub themed place with seating with like a kind of a restaurant feel, nice family restaurant where you can get breakfast, lunch,
and
dinner,
dinner.
and snacks. A lot of great food.
Oh, yeah.
Including the price of your fare on Norwegian Jewel. Be
Mhm.
sure to check that out. A lot of great food.
So
And
yummy.
yeah, and if you feel like getting a drink, uh, Norwegian Jewel's Oceans is also a bar, so you can purchase drinks there too. So it's hopping all day long.
You could get
Daytime.
your potato rounds. Those are so good.
Oh yeah, from the breakfast menu, those are great. That's one of my favorite things on
Yeah.
Norwegian. So check that out. So number 3 is gonna be the Pit Stop Bar. It's a new bar added to the Norwegian Jewel with a new theme, race car theme, overlooking the pool area. It's a great spot to sit and hang out and enjoy the fresh air as you enjoy a nice drink. Get yourself a frozen drink or
Mango
maybe
meltdown.
yes, or a heated drink. Some great spot, a great spot to watch the sea and watch the activity on the ship. The Pit Stop Bar. What is number 4?
Number 4 is La Cucina, the Italian restaurant. So good, where you can get some good tiramisu, get some good fettuccine,
Yes.
some good
They have great
pasta.
pasta. They have great appetizers. And of course, Joy's got to mention the tiramisu. I know that's one of her favorite things on any
Yes.
cruise ship. La Cucina was our favorite. Well, if not our favorite, one of our favorite restaurants, specialty dining options on Norwegian Jewel. We actually went there twice.
It's so romantic.
And then number 5 is going to be that the Norwegian Jewel isn't a huge ship. There's some great larger ships if that's what you're into. But if you want a more intimate setting, the Norwegian Jewel is a nice, moderate sized ship. So it's got like this atrium area is a nice, relaxing area where you can enjoy some music or some entertainment, get yourself coffee or cocktail. It's got smaller club areas. You can go there. We went there and we saw a Michael Jackson performer.
Oh yeah, they were incredible performer.
Did great cover songs with Michael Jackson, but a smaller, intimate club setting. You can go around the ship and you can see the same crew members on a regular basis because it's not one of these ships with like 5,000 passengers. It is a nice size, and I think that was definitely a big bonus. And I think you will love that about Norwegian Jewel. So, what is number 6?
Number 6 is the Sushi Bar. Ooh, so good.
Yes. The Sushi Bar is awesome. They have a la carte prices. You order the sushi, you maybe get some sake, and they'll prepare the sushi for you.
And if you can get a seat right where they make the sushi, so you can watch them make the sushi. It's an amazing show.
At the actual bar, yes.
Exactly.
And the sushi was really good. We ordered a lot of different types, and they did a great job preparing them. Very tasty.
Yes.
And I thought that was pretty reasonably priced.
Yeah, we got like a spider roll, a crunchy
you gonna
crab
go through and list all of
roll.
them?
It was good.
It was all good. We recommend that if you're looking for something extra special to do. Especially, I think it was a good lunchtime activity for us. The Sushi Bar and Sake Bar adjoining it on the Norwegian Jewel is number 6. You won't want to miss that. For number 7, I'm going to cheat and I'm going to say the Steakhouses, because there's actually 2 steakhouses on Norwegian Jewel. There is Cagney's, the American style steakhouse, and that was great. Had one of the best ribeyes I've ever had in my life. Great service, great traditional American style steakhouse, fine dining. But there's also Moderno Churrascaria, which is the Brazilian steakhouse.
That was my favorite bar.
What did you like about that?
I like their salad bar.
Yeah.
That was the most amazing salad bar.
Yeah, a very extensive salad bar, a nice view overlooking the pool area on the deck, a nice view looking out to sea, and that massive salad bar. But that's just the beginning, because after you get your salad bar, they bring around meats to you. As much as you want to eat, they bring around meat on skewers, beef, chicken, pork, sausages.
It's like a parade of meat.
Yeah, and they keep bringing it until you say you've had enough.
It's a fun time, I would say, if you have a group of people who like to eat meat.
Yep,
that's the place to go.
Moderna, Churrascaria, and Cagney's. Hey, if you can swing it and you can afford it, do both.
Right.
That's what I say.
It's a fun experience. I highly recommend it.
I agree. What is number 8?
Number 8 are the drinks on board the ship. They're amazing. There's a mudslide there, and then there's a strawberry daiquiri.
But what is your favorite? You already mentioned it, I think.
My favorite, of course, on the Norwegian Jewel was the mango meltdown. It was so good. Once I found that drink, that was the drink I stuck with.
Yep.
For the rest
I know
of the
that's
cruise.
one of your favorites. So let's move on to number 9. Number 9 is this ship actually has 2 main dining rooms. For a smaller ship, it's not a massive size ship, but it does have 2 main dining rooms, and I'm going to recommend Tzars. Tzars at the back of the ship has an awesome view looking at the wake of the ship. Very, very interesting, classic design, a beautiful staircase entry, and delicious food. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I recommend Tzars.
Yes.
That's number 9. What is our final number 10 things that you will love about Norwegian Jewel?
Number 10 is the crew. The crew is amazing on the Norwegian Jewel. We love the crew. They were so fantastic.
They did a great job. And if you enjoy the crew as much as we did, we recommend you do what Joy did, and that is to fill out comment cards, drop them in the comment boxes, and let them know what crew member did a great job for you and made your cruise extra special, because they want to let those crew members know and reward them. And that's one of the ways they get promotions. But we encountered a lot of exceptional service on the Norwegian Jewel from the crew, so we got to give them a shout out as our 10th reason you'll love the Norwegian Jewel.
They're the best.
So we hope you found that helpful. If you did like that, give us a thumbs up by clicking below. And if you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. It's just a way to follow so you don't miss out on our future cruise videos.